Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy USDT on the Crypto.com app. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom, then select Crypto Wallet. Here, tap on Buy. You will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Use the search bar to find USDT and select it. Enter the amount of US dollars you want to spend. Next, choose between a one-time purchase or a recurring buy. For this video, we will select a one-time purchase. You can choose a preset amount like $125 or enter a custom amount. Now, select a payment method. By default, the app may suggest options like Google Pay, but this can vary by country. You can choose the default option or tap Add Payment Method to link a credit or debit card, which has a 2.99% fee. If you want to avoid fees, you can use a bank transfer, but you will need to set up your fiat wallet first. After selecting your payment method, enter your details, including card number, expiration date, CVV, first name, and last name. Tap Add Card, then press Buy to complete your purchase. So that's basically how you can buy USDT on the Crypto.com app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.